Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making a new recipe and it's cake mix cookie bars, and it's really easy and I think it'll be something that we love. So I hope y'all are doing great today, and without further ado, let's get started. For our recipe today we need a cake mix. It calls for a white cake mix, but I don't have a white cake mix, so I'm using yellow. We need a half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, a half a cup of butter melted, that's 1 stick. We need a half a cup of milk chocolate chips and a half a cup of peanut butter chips. And we need a can of sweetened condensed milk. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to mix together my cake mix, my vegetable oil, and my eggs. Now while this is mixing, I'm going to spray my 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Now you want to press half of this cake mix batter into your dish. Now in a microwavable safe bowl, you want to mix your butter and your chips and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. The recipe says if they're not melted to then do it in 15-second intervals, but mine were almost done, so I just did mine for 10 more seconds and it was fine. Now that your chips are melted, you want to add in your can of sweetened condensed milk. Mix it up really well. Now pour it over the top of your pressed in cake batter. Now you want to drop the rest of your cake mix batter over the top by the teaspoonfuls. Now you want to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. It took 20 minutes for mine. You want to just bake it long enough for the top to turn a golden brown. All right, let's give these cake mix cookie bars a try. That's what it looks like. That's really good. It tastes kind of like chocolate cake. So good. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was real easy to make these, and my family liked them so well that they got one before I even got the picture took. So y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.